Hey, okay, today we're going to talk about multiplying numbers that are less than 10. Basically, when you're growing up, you're forced to learn up to your 12 times table. This video basically assumes that you know up to your 3 times table, and everything else we are going to be able to calculate. It was a very, very simple method. So taking 7 times 8. If it is you look at the numbers, you know that 7 and 8 are less than 10. Right? So all you do is put 10 above 7 and 8, just to kind of have a mental reference. So we draw two circles below 7 and 8, right? So, but the reason why the circles are below, by the way, is because they are less than. If it was that, let's say we're multiplying 13 by something, because 13 is more than 10, you put the circles above. But for this, which is just multiplying numbers less than 10, we put in these circles below the numbers, right? So looking at 7 and 8, we're going to subtract 7 from 10 and 8 from 10 and put the answers we get in the circles below. So we know 7 from 10 is 3, 8 from 10 is 2. Now, we will also should know that 7 by 8 will give a two-digit number, some two-digit number, right? What number we really don't know, that's what we're trying to work out. So how do we get the first number? Well, quite simple. We look at the numbers in the circles and we subtract diagonally from the numbers above. So that is, we're going to subtract 2 from 7 or 3 from 8. So if it is you subtract 2 from 7, you get 5. If it is we do it in the other way, which is 8 subtract 3, you'll also get 5. So the first digit in the answer is 5. So how do you get the second digit? Well, quite simple. You look at the numbers again in the circle and multiply them together. So 3 by 2 is 6, and you just place 6 at the end, and therefore you get your answer. 7 times 8 is 56. Why it is they don't teach this in preliminary and primary schools, I have no idea. Just in case you missed it, we'll use another example. We'll do 8 times 9 very quickly. Place the 10 above the 8 and the 9 because 8 and 9 are less than 10, and the circles go below 8 and 9 because they are less than 10. So subtracting 8 and 9 from 10 and placing the answers in these circles, you'll get 2 and 1. 8 from 10 is 2, 9 from 10 is 1. So how do you get the first number, which is 7? Simple. 8 minus 1 is 7, or if it is, you take it from the other direction, 9 minus 2 is 7. So how do we get the next number? Simple. Multiply numbers in a circle. 2 times 1 is 2, and therefore your answer at the end is 72. Right? If it is you want, you could try some of these examples, and you'll see how easy it is to actually calculate, and you can actually do it in your head. This is part of the Verdict Maths course that is actually in the description below, and on the channel's description you'll have some links where you could actually purchase or view some books that I actually use to help improve my math skills. Tomorrow, or in the next video, sorry, I'm not too sure if I'll be doing a video tomorrow. In the next video, we will be doing numbers above 10. Alright, so till then, enjoy your rest of your day.